You should be capturing everything going on at your shop, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm Caroline Legrand, the Senior Messaging Strategist here at Shop Marketing Pros, and today we're talking about where to find and how to create social media content for your auto repair shop. Your followers and customers want to know, like, and trust your team, and sharing about what's going on at the shop is a great way to do that, even if it seems mundane to you. When you're creating a social media plan, consider where your content might come from so that you can prepare the posts ahead of time and remain consistent. We suggest posting 3 to 7 days a week, and we've got some suggestions for you to try. Start with personalized content. Is it somebody's birthday or work anniversary? Did your service advisor just complete new training? Give them a shout out on your social media to show your support. Show your niche. Whether you work on every vehicle out there or only handle European vehicles, there's something special about your shop. Determine what it is and document it to incorporate it into your social media content. Maybe it's an off-road vehicle you're modifying. Maybe it's new equipment you have for your staff. Don't be afraid to master the humble brag and tell your followers about it. Next is getting involved in your community. Another great idea for social media posts is to share what your shop or team is doing around your community. Many shops we know of sponsor youth sports organizations, attend BNI or chamber meetings, or host their own events at the shop. Document these days so that you can stay engaged with your customers. They're part of your community too. And don't forget about content you have that already exists. If you have a website, and especially if you have a blog, you have plenty of social media posts opportunities at your fingertips. Share the content from your site in easy to digest posts or videos and educate your audience on their vehicles. Establishing yourself as the expert is a great way to help existing and potential customers know, like, and trust your shop. And if you're a top tier shop, share your reviews. Your reputation makes a big impact on your shop's success and brand awareness, so when there's good news to share, share it. Lastly, get your staff involved. Ask your team about their best and worst tips or their favorite makes and models and share their responses. Whether you get them on video or just a regular post, your customers will appreciate getting to know the staff, and they'll probably learn something. Whether you realize it or not, the day-to-day life in your auto repair shop offers plenty of opportunities for social media content. These can be photos or videos of your staff, and they can include general repairs, interesting finds, funny jokes, whoever brought the best lunch, you name it. Social media is made to be social, so the posts you make about your auto repair shop should be just that. If you found this video helpful, visit shopmarketingpros.com/blog and read the 2 blogs, Where to Find Content and How Do You Create Great Social Media Content for an Auto Repair Shop.